everybody, I'm on the streets क्यों ना हो, स्ट्रीट्स पे तो होना भी चाहिए। स्ट्रीट पे रहने से आप फिट रहते हैं। घर में बैठ के अब करेंगे क्या? सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड है और सेल्फ क्रिएटेड सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड तो वो लोग होते हैं जो जेब से 500 भी घंटा में देना चाहें तो अपनी कंपनी ऑन करके बैठ सकते हैं। इतना फ्लेक्सिबल है ये कंट्री, इसमें तो कोई शक नहीं है। बट सिस्टम शट डाउन है, सिस्टम ब्रोकन है ना अभी, तो कौन करेगा? हालेलुया 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 हालेलुया, व्हाई नॉट? इसका मतलब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ही होता है। बाय द वे, क्रिश्चियन के मुंह से अक्सर आप सुनते होंगे तो वो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ही कह रहे होते हैं। जो मुस्लिम्स कहते हैं कि इट्स ऑल लाइक प्रेजेस ऑफ गॉड, प्रेज ऑफ गॉड। तो प्रेज ऑफ गॉड करें आप, और क्या कर सकते हैं? और वॉक तो करें ही करें, क्योंकि इफ़ यू मैस्ड अप विद योर बॉडी एंड इट्स आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, डोंट पुट इट ऑन मी, आस्क योर डॉक्टर्स। They say shh, let them do what they want to. The world is full of dash. Nobody listens to no one. By the way, when it comes to me, they just, rumor has it kind of a thing that you don't do that much for grocery because I don't believe in eating too much. Eating is a disorder, by the way, and I was pre-medical, so becoming doctor in Pakistan, and then I didn't pursue that field. I just changed my subjects from applied psychology and political science. That I'm also suffering from. These days, applied psychology is technically something that I deal with as of my mental health. Love's mental does not mean that you're mental. Love's mental means, the word mental means that you're going through turmoils, crises, problems, depressions, downfall, or even people sometimes do great. I'm doing otherwise great. But they still in their mind they think they are like blah 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 whatever. So they are the caddy of their own mind. Could be because of the loneliness, could be because they're forced to do certain things, could be because of the history of incidents and accidents they went through. तो कुछ भी हो सकता है। बहरहाल जी, हमारी तो महबूब जगह यही है। सामने देख रहे हो आप, टिम हॉर्टन। मैंने बैठ के यहाँ पे अपनी मेडिकेशन की थोड़ी डिटेल्स पढ़ी और इसके साथ में क्या कर रहे होते हैं। काश को वीडियो बनाने वाला हो। कोई ऐसे लोग हो ना जिनको वीडियो में इंटरेस्ट हो। मेरे तो काम है ही वीडियोस बनाना। और अभी मैं एक नज़र दिखाना भी चाह रही होती हूँ, बट या तो मैं आपको एरिया दिखाऊंगी या मैं, क्योंकि टिकटॉक ने इतना आसान नहीं मारा कि आप कैमरा शिफ्ट कर सकें। सो टेक्निकली कैन नॉट शिफ्ट द कैमरा एंड शो द इनर सराउंडिंग्स टू। इट इज़ गोना बी लाइक ऑन माई फेस एंड ऑन मी unless I do the other way around, right? Anyway, so I'm just gonna sit there and see what is. This is a drive-through, so I have to go to the Rutherford, and I have to go to the Rutherford and Queen to get the one. I thought, well, which one is that one? And there is a church right there, and there is a petrol pump. I can't show you guys. I can only look at. I'm looking at it, and there's a parking lot full of tons of cars. I mean, this is a small mall. The good question is, what do you call that mall? It's called Centennial Mall. So right now I'm around Centennial Mall. They say, you tell people. I said, yes, I do. Because I'm not thief, thug. I'm not being wrong, bad. I'm not being violent. I'm not being crazy. I'm not being upsetting. I'm not being problem maker. I just say things out of the vibes or out of for the elevation of moods. And I mean, some people sometimes go through a lot of downfall, and some they go and they become booster, and they boost other people's energy too when it's down. So sitting in I know that people get bored at home and they get homesick. So in summer it's always advisable, if you can, that's another story, because mine is invisible disability too, means that do not bend, lift and hold something for longer hours, but an hour in the morning, go back home, get yourself charged, and an hour in the evening in summer might help you get in physical fitness, and physical fitness ultimately makes people happy. And also do not go for a hunger. I just saw something on the fridge. My landlord is pretty much smarter than me in certain things, and I do learn from her, and I end up reading some of the notes that she put it on for herself, so I get a chance to actually look at it. It was beautiful saying to say, every time you get out of the anxiety, you can't sleep, and you have some sort of burden on your mind, So better is to, and you can find a solution of the problems that you're dealing with, because it's long-term chronic, or it's not gonna, and because once you get grown up, ultimately the Canadian system wouldn't accept you. As an advisor, I'm telling you, because I was certified financial planner before in 2001, 2, 3. And after like few years, if you don't do your proper things, your credentials don't stay the same. So I end up losing my credentials as well. And I couldn't really make money because I was always talking and telling people free consultation. They never gave me business, by the way. They used to just call me up. I was very silly, stupid and simple, honest woman who simply went to their homes and give them consultation, make them explain the products. By then, I know the system changes and the products, they also change, and interest rate changes, so everything changes now, and changed already. Like nobody really knows where we're going. But it's hard these days, and that community will never buy from you knowingly. The Abida is going to get the commission, so they would never give me business, by the way, and I was so stupid. The best thing by then was to really rely on your parents and get back to your ex-husband, and I was separated anyways personally too. So आज बड़े हालात फ़र्क होते हैं. आपकी ज़हनी अपनी कैफियत जो होती है दूसरों के लिए बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है. आप अगर खुद प्रिटेंड नहीं करें, ऑनेस्ट हैं, सच्चे हैं, खरे हैं, तो ये आपकी अच्छी एनर्जी है ना. फिर आप होल्ड करते हैं, दूसरों को देते हैं. फेकर्स एंड शेकर्स की एनर्जी तो नहीं ना अच्छी होती. Let's say we fake it, but a lot of people are in business doing it, though they have to, but they have to means it's must, compulsion. But if not, and your real energy and it's good, then it's good. Now, right now, frankly speaking, system is down, so there is no magical wand, means जादू की छड़ी. इसकी भी pronunciation पाकिस्तान में different होती है. English words in Pakistan we pronounce it different, and in Canada we pronounce it different. And as a learner, my daughter is like being learned because unfortunately she didn't come to Canada and she got her education out of our pocket, whereas she was supposed to get the universal child benefit, also get the education here, also get the benefits here, but they never let it happen. Who are they? They're everywhere. I mean, people, when they misunderstood things and when they try to spread misunderstandings and say things wrong. Technically, after 2003, I was never in Canada other than doing my PR out of my pocket from back home. Period. So no question asked. It is about when you work somewhere, or if you ever got like a gift from somebody, then you are gonna disclose it. It's not. Rather, they stole it from me in both countries. It made me suffer personally. They said, don't tell. I said, but then that doesn't mean that I'm gonna trust people again and give them another chance to actually screw me personally. But I've been very good professional. I don't screw people up. I don't take revenge. I don't become like negative person or large. I still go all over around the newcomers and this and that. And sometimes they say, oh, you shouldn't, but it's my job to sometimes guide and help people, even without license to. Chalte phirte, just when you're just sitting somewhere and you meet nice people, responsible people, you can tell by gestures, and they're like apparently and otherwise also inside out. If it's worth it to give a piece of advice to somebody that works for their life and it is good for the economy, why not? Because it's all about doing the right thing in Canada. If you don't do the right thing, you cannot complain. I've done so many mistakes. I've learned such hard lessons. Not the lessons. But because I'm a public person, I'm an artist, radio TV artist, and I'm on my own, I do not like to give personal advantages to other people before they promote you and say, oh, I'm with her. You've never been with me, by the way. Whoever claims to be with me. Like verbally, and practically, take anda. Ande ka fanda. Take care, man. I just say things, don't take it so serious. Listen if you like it, why not? If it makes sense to you. No, take care, still like life is life. No matter what you say, could be crap too. Good after morning, good morning anyways. Talk to you later. Take care, bye. Have a nice walk.